In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn off VPN on iPhone. This improves network speed and resolve connectivity issues since VPNs may slow down internet performance due to encryption and routing through remote servers. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, head to General. You will want to navigate onto the option of VPN and device management. Select on VPN. On status, make sure to disable this option. Your VPN provider will get disconnected without turning on by itself. You can also tap onto this info icon to delete VPN. This helps to restore access and improve the overall user experience when you're not concerned about security or privacy. Well, that's how easy it is to permanently disconnect VPN on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.